Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sebastien Boyer, the Approved Guy, and on today's video, we're going to be reviewing IdentityIQ and how to protect your identity during a crisis or a pandemic. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Quick disclaimer guys, some of the links and other products discussed and presented are from companies that Sebastien Boyer, the Approved Guy, may have a relationship with and earns a commission. All right, well, here we go. We are here at the IdentityIQ main website. We're just going to go through some of the benefits and features of the product and service that they provide. So as you can see, IdentityIQ is well recognized, has won many awards. Protect your identity and your digital life, featuring credit and identity theft monitoring, antivirus software, and VPN for online privacy. So this product, IdentityIQ, is pretty impressive. It's all inclusive. It's protecting your personal identity, your credit, and antivirus and VPN and online privacy. So I don't think there's any one product that does all of this that I have seen. Some hard truths that we should acknowledge is that 1 in 4 Americans have reported being victims of identity theft. More than 1.5 billion personal records have been exposed in data breaches. Cyber criminals are stealing more than 1.5 trillion globally every single year. So IdentityIQ's identity theft protection works so that you don't have to. So their identity theft insurance, if you have out-of-pocket costs due to identity theft, you are covered up to $1 million in identity theft insurance. So this is actually insurance, guys. This is identity theft insurance that covers you on lost wages, legal and expert expenses, as well as stolen funds to be reimbursed. So that by itself is worth it. Security browsing, VPN protections, unlimited encrypted traffic for up to 10 devices, right guys? So with a lot of these other systems and software, you have to pay per device. This gives you up to 10 devices. That covers most of us above and beyond, our own devices, but even our family's devices, our spouse and our children. Complete online security and anonymity, safe online media streaming and downloads. Antivirus with Bitdefender and total security. Protect your personal information with privacy firewall, prevent hackers from accessing your microphone and webcam, and protect yourself against email scams with anti-phishing protection. Credit reports and scores. We monitor your credit report for suspicious activity and provide you with multiple reports per year. You get 12 reports, 1 per month. Reports all 3 bureaus, and it will not hurt your credit score. Credit monitoring in real time. Best-in-class service starts with offering more than just basic credit monitoring. We take it to the next level. They monitor for new accounts, and they give you alerts, new cleared user alerts, score changes, you get alerted. Pill and data breach monitoring. They monitor for changes in data related to your non-credit based personally identifiable information and notify you when changes occur, such as a social security number trace, change of an address, international criminals record search. Dark web and internet monitoring. They patrol the dark web and search for your personal information. Then they notify you if anything suspicious is happening, such as social security number, name, home, global dark web search, 25 languages monitored. This is very impressive coverage, guys. Family is protected. If your child's information is compromised, family identity theft insurance helps cover damages. Full ID theft restoration, $25,000 of theft insurance. So, guys, this is full coverage for you and your family. Now, on their website, these are the prices for different plans. The best plan is the Secure Max because that gives you 1 3-bureau credit report each month. On their website, if you go there directly, it's $32.99 per month. There is no discount. That's just what it is. However, if you take advantage of my link in the description below, that's going to take you to a $1 trial for 7 days. And instead of $32.99 per month, the same plan is $30.99 per month. So you can log in, check it out for $1 for 7 days. If you're happy with what you're seeing with the service and the platform, you keep it. If you're not happy with it, then you can cancel it. There's no obligation or commitment to keep it. You just call them to cancel the subscription. So I definitely recommend taking advantage of the link in the description area below so that you can take advantage of the dollar trial for 7 days and reduce your monthly payment slightly per month. If this video was of value to you guys, please like, subscribe, and share, and gently click on that notification button. And as it pertains to IdentityIQ, it is approved by the approved guy.